Every single year, billions of dollars in legitimate insurance claims go completely underpaid. It's not because you don't deserve the money, but because you aren't playing by the same rules your insurance company is. Your insurance company has a playbook. Now, you do too. Welcome back to Claim Defend Advocacy, where we teach you the exact strategies insurance companies hope you never learn. Today, we are revealing the single most powerful secret weapon hidden right inside your policy, the appraisal clause. Let's paint a picture you might be living through right now. Your property is damaged. Your local, trusted contractor looks at the damage and gives you a real-world estimate of $30,000 to fix it correctly. But then, the insurance adjuster hands you their estimate, and it's a total joke. 8,000. You try to negotiate, you send proof, but you hit a concrete wall. They refuse to budge. Most people think their only options are to accept the lowball check, give up, or hire an expensive lawyer and sue. But there is a faster, cheaper, and incredibly powerful third option. Tucked away in the dense, boring pages of almost every standard homeowner's insurance policy is something called the appraisal clause. Most policyholders never read it, but you need to know it by heart. This clause allows either party, meaning you or the insurance company, to demand a formal, independent appraisal when there is a major dispute over the dollar amount of a claim. The best part, this is entirely separate from filing a lawsuit. It bypasses the endless court system completely. So how does it actually work? It's a beautifully simple process designed to level the playing field. First, you hire your own independent appraiser. Second, the insurance company hires theirs. Third, those two appraisers get together and agree on a neutral third party called an umpire. The magic happens here. 2 out of those 3 people must agree on a final number for what your damage costs to fix. Once 2 of them sign off, that number becomes completely binding on both parties. The adjuster is bypassed entirely. You are no longer begging someone for a fair payout whose annual bonus literally depends on paying you less. Now, you shouldn't trigger this for a tiny disagreement. You save this weapon for when it counts. Here are the 4 exact times you should invoke the appraisal clause. When the insurer's estimate is significantly lower than your contractor's real-world costs. When the insurance company keeps flat out denying your supplemental repair requests. When you have hit an absolute brick wall in negotiations. Or, if your claim has been dragged out and left open for more than 60 days with zero resolution. To invoke it, you don't just call your adjuster. You send a formal written demand via certified mail. Use these exact words. Pursuant to the appraisal provision of my policy, I hereby demand appraisal of the amount of loss. But watch out for the insurance company's favorite trap. They will often try to deny your appraisal request by claiming your fight is about coverage and not the amount. Know the difference. If they say, "We don't cover mold damage at all," that's a coverage dispute that goes to court or litigation. But if they say, "Yes, we cover the roof, but we think it only costs $8,000 instead of $30,000, that is an amount dispute, and that goes straight to appraisal. Do not let them use their playbook to run down your deadlines or force you into a lowball settlement. You have rights built right into the contract you pay for every single month. If you are fighting an active claim right now and refuse to get lowballed, go to Claim Defend online right now. Grab your free battle plan guide, check out our full podcast episodes, and learn how to fight back and win. Don't leave your hard-earned money on the table. Head over to Claim Defend online, and we'll see you in the next episode.